this is Dad Random. I am driving with the VANTRUE N4 Pro, and it is freaking awesome. I am so freaking excited about having this camera mounted. I've got 3 views, man. I've got review, I've got in-cabin view, and I've got forward view. You can see this beautiful mountain in the front. You see me in cabin, and you see that car behind me that's driving on my butt. It's so freaking awesome. Got a 256 gig card in this puppy. We are in like freaking land. Yes. I am so jacked and stoked. Oh man. You don't even know how much I love dash cameras. And this is a true dash camera. I've got it right behind my mirror. I basically have it just tucked underneath so not losing sight of anything. And I've got full in-cabin HD view. I've got rear HD view. Guys, you can't get, it doesn't get any better than this. If you freaking like cameras and you got freaking views of everything that you know that's around you camera wise, that dude just freaking passing us by, that was freaking awesome. He doesn't know we got 3 views. I got 2 views of him plus my in-cabin view if you want to talk to me. Oh guys, I am jacked. Thank you VANTRUE for setting me up with this freaking amazing camera. The hottest camera on Amazon, next to the N2 Pro of a previous model or previous version. Guys, it took me about 35 minutes to set this up. Tucked away, all the wires are tucked, okay? This one, these aren't tucked there, but I'll put some freaking straps around that, but this is sweet. Oh man. It's so much fun. Guys, I have so much fun, it shouldn't be allowed.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time Honestly, I can't even